Hello everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Flow. I'm happy you're here today. In today's lesson, we are going to learn English through real-life conversations and stories. Today's topic is giving compliments. Compliments are kind words that make people feel happy and appreciated. People give compliments every day to friends, family members, teachers, classmates, and colleagues. Learning how to give compliments in English will help you sound friendly, polite, and confident. This lesson is perfect for beginners. Listen carefully. Repeat every sentence. Practice speaking slowly. Let's begin. Compliment vocabulary. Before we begin our story, let's learn some useful words. Kind. Repeat. Kind. Friendly. Repeat. Friendly. Beautiful. Repeat. Beautiful. Nice. Repeat. Nice. Smart. Repeat. Smart. Helpful. Repeat. Helpful. Amazing. Repeat. Amazing. Wonderful. Repeat. Wonderful. Great. Repeat. Great. Excellent. Repeat. Excellent. Very good. Now let's use these words in simple sentences. You're very kind. Repeat. You're very kind. Your work is excellent. Repeat. Your work is excellent. That is a beautiful picture. Repeat. That is a beautiful picture. Wonderful. Giving compliments. Now let's practice a simple conversation. Emma. I like your new bag. Sophia. Thank you very much. Emma. The color is beautiful. Sophia. That is very kind of you. Excellent. More compliments. Daniel. You speak English very well. Ryan. Thank you. I practice every day. Daniel. Your pronunciation is excellent. Ryan. Thank you for your compliment. Wonderful. Practice time. Repeat after me. You did a great job. Pause. You did a great job. I like your idea. Pause. I like your idea. You are very helpful. Pause. You are very helpful. Your work is amazing. Pause. Your work is amazing. Excellent. Listening practice. Listen carefully. Olivia is drawing a picture in art class. Her friend Emma looks at the picture and says, "Your drawing is beautiful." Olivia smiles and says, "Thank you." Later, the teacher sees Olivia's work and says, "Excellent work, Olivia. You are very creative." Olivia feels happy because kind words encourage her. Now answer these questions. What is Olivia doing? She is drawing a picture. What does Emma say? She says, "Your drawing is beautiful." What does the teacher say? The teacher says, "Excellent work." How does Olivia feel? She feels happy. Excellent work. Useful compliments. Repeat after me. You look nice today. I like your idea. You are very kind. Your work is excellent. You speak English well. Very good. English learning tip. When giving compliments, be polite and sincere. Use simple expressions such as, "Good job." "Well done." "That looks great." "I like your work." "You are very helpful." These expressions make your English sound natural and friendly. Practice them every day. Final practice. Repeat these important sentences. Kind words make people happy. Compliments are friendly. I enjoy giving compliments. I speak politely. Small compliments can make a big difference. Fantastic work. Today, you learned useful compliment vocabulary, practiced simple conversations, and learned how to give compliments in English. In Part 2, we will learn how to respond to compliments, give compliments to friends and family, and practice more real-life conversations. Keep listening. Keep practicing. I'll see you in Part 2. I'm happy you're here again. In Part 1, we learned useful compliment vocabulary, practiced simple conversations, and learned how to give compliments in English. Today, we will continue learning English through real-life conversations. You will learn how to respond to compliments politely, give compliments to friends and family, and use kind words in everyday situations. Listen carefully. Repeat every sentence. Practice speaking slowly. Let's begin. Responding to compliments. When someone gives you a compliment, it is polite to say thank you. Listen carefully. Thank you. Repeat. Thank you. Thank you very much. Repeat. Thank you very much. That's very kind of you. Repeat. That's very kind of you. I really appreciate it. Repeat. I really appreciate it. Excellent. Conversation with a friend. Emma. I like your new hairstyle. Sophia. Thank you very much. Emma. It looks great on you. Sophia. That's very kind of you. Emma. You're welcome. Wonderful. Complimenting family members. Daniel. Your dinner is delicious, Mom. Mother. Thank you, Daniel. Daniel. You are a wonderful cook. Mother. I'm happy you enjoyed it. Daniel. Thank you for making dinner. Excellent. Practice time. Repeat after me. Thank you for your kind words. Pause. Thank you for your kind words. You did an excellent job. Pause. You did an excellent job. I really like your idea. Pause. I really like your idea. You are always so helpful. Pause. You are always so helpful. Very good. Compliments at school. Teacher. Your homework is excellent today. Olivia. Thank you, teacher. Teacher. You worked very hard. Olivia. I studied every evening. Teacher. Keep up the good work. Olivia. I will. Thank you. Wonderful. Listening practice. Listen carefully. Ryan and Emily are working together on a science project. When they finish, Ryan says, Emily, your presentation is amazing. Emily smiles and replies, Thank you. I practiced many times. Later, the teacher says, You both worked very well together. Ryan and Emily thank their teacher and feel proud of their teamwork. Now answer these questions. What are Ryan and Emily doing? They are working on a science project. What compliment does Ryan give Emily? He says, Your presentation is amazing. How does Emily respond? She says, Thank you. I practiced many times. What does the teacher say? The teacher says they worked very well together. Excellent work. Useful compliment expressions. Repeat after me. You have a beautiful smile. You are a great friend. Your English is improving. I like your creativity. You did your best. Very good. English learning tip. When someone gives you a compliment, smile and respond politely. For example, Thank you. Thank you very much. That's very kind of you. I appreciate your kind words. These simple responses make conversations warm and friendly. Practice them every day. Final practice. Repeat these important sentences. I enjoy encouraging other people. Kind words build strong friendships. I always say thank you. A simple compliment can brighten someone's day. Speaking kindly makes every conversation better. Fantastic work. Today, you learned how to respond to compliments, compliment friends and family, and use polite English in everyday conversations. In Part 3, we will practice longer conversations, learn how to compliment people at work and school, describe someone's talents and achievements, and continue improving your English through real-life situations. Keep listening. Keep practicing. I'll see you in Part 3. I'm happy you're here again. In Part 2, we learned how to respond to compliments politely and how to give compliments to friends, family, and teachers. Today, we will continue with longer conversations. You will learn how to compliment people at school, at work, and in everyday life. You will also learn how to encourage others with kind words. Listen carefully. Repeat every sentence. Let's begin. Complimenting good work. People enjoy hearing that they have done something well. Listen to this conversation. Emma. Your project looks fantastic. Daniel. Thank you very much. Emma. I can see that you worked very hard. Daniel. Yes, I spent a lot of time on it. Emma. Your effort really shows. Daniel. That's very kind of you. Excellent. Now repeat. Your project looks fantastic. Pause. Your project looks fantastic. You worked very hard. Pause. You worked very hard. Great job. Pause. Great job. Very good. Encouraging a friend. Friend. I'm nervous about my English presentation. Emma. Don't worry. You have practiced a lot. Friend. Do you really think I can do it? Emma. Of course. You speak English clearly. I believe in you. Friend. Thank you. That makes me feel better. Wonderful. Compliments at work. Daniel. Your presentation was excellent today. Sophia. Thank you. Daniel. You explained everything clearly. Sophia. I'm happy to hear that. Daniel. You did an amazing job. Sophia. I appreciate your compliment. Excellent. Listening practice. Listen carefully. Lucas enters the classroom with a model of the solar system. He spent 2 days making it at home. His classmates gather around his desk. One student says, "Your project is wonderful." Another student says, "I really like the colors you used." The teacher smiles and says, "Excellent work, Lucas. You are creative and hardworking." Lucas thanks everyone for their kind words. Their compliments make him feel proud and encourage him to keep learning. Now answer these questions. What did Lucas make? He made a model of the solar system. How long did he spend making it? He spent 2 days making it. What did the classmates say? They said his project was wonderful and they liked the colors. How did Lucas feel? He felt proud and encouraged. Excellent work. Useful compliment expressions. Repeat after me. You are doing a great job. I am proud of you. Your idea is very creative. You explained it very well. Keep up the excellent work. Very good. English learning tip. When giving compliments, try to be specific. Instead of saying, "Good job," you can say, "Good job on your presentation." Instead of saying, "Nice picture," you can say, "I like the colors in your picture." Specific compliments sound more natural and meaningful. Practice using them every day. Final practice. Repeat these important sentences. I enjoy encouraging others. Kind words make people smile. Everyone likes sincere compliments. I speak politely and respectfully. A compliment can make someone's day better. Fantastic work. Today you practiced giving compliments at school, at work, and in everyday situations. You also learned how to encourage others with kind and positive English. In Part 4, we will review everything with one complete story about giving compliments, practice more listening, and finish with a speaking challenge to help you use compliments naturally in everyday English conversations. Keep listening. Keep practicing. I'll see you in Part 4. Congratulations! You have reached the final part of today's English listening practice. Today, you learned useful compliment vocabulary, practiced real-life conversations, and improved your English by learning how to give and receive compliments politely. Now, let's review everything with one complete story. Listen carefully. Try to understand every sentence. Then repeat the important expressions with me. Let's begin. A day full of kind words. Hello, my name is Sophia. Today, I would like to tell you about a day when I gave and received many compliments. One Monday morning, I arrived at school early. I met my best friend, Emma, near the classroom. She was wearing a new blue jacket. I smiled and said, "Your jacket looks beautiful." Emma smiled and replied, "Thank you very much. That's very kind of you." We walked into the classroom together. Our English teacher gave us a speaking activity. We worked in pairs and practiced short conversations. After Emma finished speaking, I said, "You speak English very clearly." She smiled and said, "Thank you. I practice every day." Later, our teacher listened to everyone's conversations. When it was my turn, I spoke slowly and confidently. After I finished, my teacher smiled and said, "Excellent work, Sophia. Your pronunciation is improving." I felt very happy. I replied, "Thank you, teacher. I will continue practicing." During the art class, my classmate Daniel showed me his drawing. The picture was colorful and creative. I said, "Your drawing is amazing. I really like the colors." Daniel thanked me with a big smile. At lunchtime, my friend Olivia shared some homemade sandwiches. I said, "Your sandwiches are delicious." She laughed and said, "My mother helped me make them." After school, I went to the library to study. The librarian noticed that I returned all my books on time. She smiled and said, "You are a responsible student." I thanked her for the compliment. When I arrived home, my little brother showed me his homework. He had worked very hard. I said, "Great job. Your handwriting is much better." He looked proud and promised to keep practicing. That evening, my mother cooked my favorite dinner. I said, "Thank you, Mom. The food is delicious." She smiled warmly. Before going to bed, I thought about my day. I realized that giving compliments is easy, but it can make a big difference. Kind words make people smile. They build confidence, encourage learning, and create stronger friendships. Now I try to give sincere compliments every day. Listening questions. Now answer these questions. Who is wearing a new blue jacket? Emma was wearing a new blue jacket. What compliment did the teacher give Sophia? The teacher said her pronunciation was improving. What did Sophia say about Daniel's drawing? She said it was amazing and colorful. Who shared homemade sandwiches? Olivia shared homemade sandwiches. What lesson did Sophia learn at the end of the day? She learned that kind and sincere compliments can make people happy and build confidence. Excellent work. Everyday English practice. Now repeat these useful sentences. You did a great job. I like your idea. Your English is improving. You are very kind. Thank you for your kind words. Fantastic. Speaking practice. Now it's your turn. Answer these questions in English. Who do you compliment most often? What compliment do you like to hear? How do you respond when someone compliments you? Can you compliment your friend in English? What kind words can you say to your teacher or family? Take your time. Speak slowly. Use complete sentences. The more you practice speaking, the more natural your English will become. English learning tip. When giving compliments, always be sincere and polite. Simple expressions like these are useful in everyday conversations. I like your smile. You did an excellent job. You are very thoughtful. Your English is getting better. Thank you for helping me. Using kind words makes your English sound warm, friendly, and natural. Practice these expressions every day. Final review. Today you learned how to give compliments politely, respond to compliments naturally, encourage friends, classmates, and family members, use positive and friendly English expressions, improve your English listening and speaking skills. Excellent work. You are improving your English step by step. Thank you so much for learning with Daily English Flow. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. I'll see you in our next English listening practice. Until then, keep practicing, keep learning, and always remember to use kind words. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.